Good morning and welcome to another update from Tasbuilt Homes. Today we're on site at another amazing Tasmanian location in West Ulverstone, overlooking Bass Strait. Tasbuilt Homes is Tasmania's leading designer and builder of modular homes and buildings. Today we're installing a stunning 4-module home on this elevated site. The journey to this point started many months ago, when we first sat down with the clients to create the perfect design to suit their unique location and their own specific requirements. They were looking for a home that maximised the views, embraced the north-facing natural light, was efficient to heat, warm in all seasons, and had easy level access from the street. In response to the client's brief, we have designed a large open-plan living area at the rear of the home, complete with raking ceilings and highlight windows on the north-facing elevation. A sunroom and north-facing deck opens off the living area, and a generous open-plan kitchen and pantry completes the package. At the street end of the home, an enormous garage will be constructed to provide safe level access to the home. Rendered insulated panel cladding and double glazing ensures the home will stay warm and cosy. With the design completed, our team took care of all the permits through the council process, just another step in our streamlined process. 6 weeks ago, construction began on this home in our Westbury facility. Now the home is completely assembled, complete with the deck, sunroom, plaster lining throughout, and bathrooms and kitchen installed. And it's time to install the home on site. The home is now transported from Westbury by our professional transport contractor on 4 extra long, extra low trailers. Now the home has arrived on site. Our skilled team are working quickly to ensure the building is all back together and watertight by the end of the day. Over the coming weeks, our team will be busy completing the exterior cladding, building the garage, connecting the services, and finishing the interior details. If you're looking for a custom designed home and would be interested to learn more about our streamlined process, reach out to us today on 1800 639 310, or you can email us sales@tasbuilthomes.com.au.